전파할 때는 사랑을 전파한다는 거가 좀 많은 의미가 좀 담겨 있었으면 좋겠어요.
I really can't remember what's my first Tata or when I started buying one. Is it the keychain I got from Eva in Taiwan? Or is it this big, unofficial Tata pillow I bought from a K-drama merch supplier back in 2018? I realized that both happened in 2018, also the year I first heard Spring Day. I guess it's safe to say I was just starting to get to know BTS then, and the rest, as they say, is history. How did it grow into this? Just when I thought I will vow to the minimalist life, I started collecting again. Stationaries are my best bet, the top on my list, because they are for sure useful and relatively cheaper than the other items in the store. I always pick up something whenever I'm in Align Friends during my travels. Notebooks, pens, notepads, stickers, washi tapes. You can never have enough. This cup is also a 2018 souvenir when Dunkin' Donuts collaborated with Line Friends. The cup from my first BT21 cafe experience in Itaewon. While this cap I got from Robinson's Ermita's Line Friends when they launched last year. I seldom use these slippers, but it's cute. Tata coaster, anyone? Tata beauty products from Vice Cosmetics in VT. This is my favorite, a Tata cushion BB cream from Ashley. She gave this to me last Christmas. My first authentic Tata plushie. Here's another collaboration with Innisfree, a Tata headband and magnet. This comes with a Jeju volcanic mask BT21 packaging. It's a cute Tata and V Funko Pops. And a Tata T-Money card I've used in my Korea trips. A Tata Heartbeat interactive toy from Paul. A tin can of Tata filled with lots of red band-aids. Tata coin purse. And a Tata keychain. This gets a lot of attention whenever I use it. This one is a sirang iPhone cord charger and a Tata cell phone case that has a flip cover. One of my impulse buys, a Tata chair cushion. Of course, I also started with unofficial merch that I got from small bazaars or online, like this keychain and this headband that I got from a BTS concert in Gwangju. So it's still special to me. This is my unrecognizable Tata purchase, a pouch. But this one looks so authentic. It's a passport holder that I got in Shopee. Another funny unofficial merch. It doesn't even write. A cute Tata cover for my army bomb. And I also kept my plastic bags from Line Friends. Forgot to include this earlier, but this is also from Innisfree. It's a Tata beach towel. Not Tata, but I'll include this also in this post. Got these during my trip last January in Korea. This was given to me by Mark, a Filipino who I met in Seoul. He gave me this Warang photo book as gift before I left for Manila. Some V-related photos and postcards on my wall. This one is given to me by Ava. From BTS Only's PH. And from Purple Daya, a shop on Instagram. V cup sleeves I've collected in Seoul. The second one is from Hello Coffee. Here's an unboxing of new toys to add to my BT21 collection. It's my first time to shop on a Viber group. This one is from Ollie & Co. They are under Richprime, which sells toys and other stuff for moms like baby products, strollers, etc. I saw this ad on Instagram and I decided to check their profile, which led me to the Viber group. I always get this mystery pack but in different season or edition, and it's for 1,000 to 1,199. But when you get the two toys for the promo, you only pay the bundle for 1,500. After posting my inquiry on the Viber group, a representative sent me a DM and then she gave me the price and the shipping fee, which is a bit steep for me. It's 250 going to Muntinlupa. And then they will give the payment options. I think I paid via BDO, and then they will ship your items in around 2 to 3 working days. Let's start this unboxing with this BTS Uno cards. It's for 399.75 and I often see this in Run BTS episodes. Parang ang saya-saya niya laruin pag pinapanood ko yung BTS. Pero when I started reading the instructions that comes with the box, parang hirap niya. Anyway, I can imagine future barkada trips with this BTS Uno cards game. Second up is this Volume 3 blind pack. Purple. Hana dulce. Text your friends. Happiest thing today. Ang dagdag sa collection. Cute. Time to build my collectible. Tadan! Ang cute! Last box is the BT21 World Tour toy. It comes in different countries. Nakita ko it has Brazil, China, UK, Korea, France, Japan, and USA. I got to Paris, France kasi ando si Tata. And it's my collection. Pero kung pwede lang, gusto ko talaga ipunin lahat sila. Parang siyang Polly Pocket na BT21 version that you can close yung suitcase. Bonjour, Tata! Time to display them! May humabol pa na isang box. This one naman I got in Shopee. It's a Watson's BT21 collaboration na double wall mug. Akala ko hindi ako makakita ng ganito. So when Ava linked me to the original product, syempre bumili na rin ako. Here are different ways I used my TATA double wall mug. First is for Milo Dalgona. Second is for yogurt soju. It's a mix of Chilsong cider, Yakult, soju. Last drink is Gatorade, just because it's red. Sobrang random na this vlog, so I'll end with a DIY. I have this film camera na may San Miguel na branding, and I think it needs a Tata makeover. I'll end this by saying you don't have to have a lot of merch to be a real BTS fan. You can support them in other ways like DIYs or simply spreading their music and message to your friends.
자존감이 없는 사람에겐 자존감을 높이는 것도 정말 좋은 것 같고 한 사람 한 사람에게 정말 부족한 부분을 채울 수 있는 게 타타가 해야 할 일일 것 같아요.
Thank you for watching. Till the next one.